Welcome to Eastleigh. Eastleigh is home to the biggest population of Somalis in Nairobi. This town is known for a business market, opportunity, and a fast growth. Most of the businesses in this town belong to Somali people due to their deep experience in the market. For many Kenyans, Eastleigh is a hope to create their own business from scratch. To others, it is an opportunity to try something new, such as entrepreneurship. Welcome to the Somali town in Nairobi, Eastleigh.
Yep, so my Uber is here. I'm gonna have to go now and just get on that Uber. But it should take about 5 or 10 minutes to get there. But when I get off, then I would have to head straight into the town and show you around what it looks like. Alright, currently we are on that Uber bike. It's really nice. Yeah, I just have to film it like that. So this is what you call a Eastleigh, right? Like, this is it. I was just dropped here by the Uber bike, and I think the Uber bike didn't take as long as I thought it would take. So it was not that intense. But the good thing is we have made it. We've made it into the town. It looks very much like downtown Hargeisa or downtown Mogadishu. Like, that looks pretty much like it. I'm just gonna walk around. I didn't really appreciate the attention, but I'm just gonna go around and keep filming. Let's see, like, if I meet people and if I can find anybody that I can recognize and any of that. But yeah, this is it. It would be very important if we know the places better, because I really don't know what these crosses are called. This is a very busy junction. Probably has a name, but I don't have the name for it. I wish I could find some sort of help or people that can help me with it. This is called Madeira Shopping Center. Maybe I could go in there and check what is down there and actually go, right? Because we don't have a lot of knowledge. This looks like the kind of place you would be. Assalamu alaikum. I think everybody here speaks Kiswahili more than Somali, so I don't know. I'm thinking what I could come here to buy. Like maybe dara. It's pretty big. I think it's just a big mall where you like sell everything. Yeah? Kugu qabtaa? Kale weeye. Oo ku maraysanaya de. Hee walays ma rabtid? Anigu hargeysan ka yimid. Soo ma saaxiibadkiin. Ma sha Allah, cadceedu halka aad bay wanaagsan tahay. Hay. I'm actually heading out on the other side right now. There's an exit here, but I'm just gonna see if I can talk to these ladies. Assalamu alaikum. Iska warama. Ma idin la yar hadli karaa video aan duubaya. Videogeeda ku jirtaan ma rabtaan? Waa caadi. Haye businesskayga ayaan doonayay idin ka waraysto. Idinku shiidin baad iibisaan miya? Sah. So like I told you, they sell clothes for girls, but mainly for Somali girls. So laakiin dumarka idinka iibsadaa Soomaaliyun maaha. Xataa way idinka iibsadaan. Sah. Nice. And business ku fiican yahay Soomaa hagan. Nice. Sah. Sekala waa okay. And مع the work حاجة كويس ترى دي كاتش. Nice. That's good. صح. So واحد سو يبسطان like isagoo weyn marada weyn. صح. Nice. Good. And then you design it because here they even have like the what do you dara? صح. Dara for girls, like little girls, for children. For everything, yeah, that's pretty good. Well, what mahadsantiin maalin wanaagsan bay diin rajaynaya waa iska soconaya. Thank you. Hey. Well, sorry, that was very good. Normally I think one of the things that are going to tell you a business is owned by Somalis, I guess, is the name, right? Like it will say something along the lines Ubah, Farah, something like that. Here they have cosmetics. I think this is the cosmetics for. This is pretty much like back in Hargeisa. Like, it looks exactly like that. They have cosmetics, and that's exactly what it's like. You can find it everywhere. I'm just gonna continue, but I definitely have to turn the camera away from me so that I can show you what it looks like more. I'm speeding through town, so yeah. Looking if I can buy sunnies. Yeah, I want sunglasses. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Oh, these ones look dope. Guys, I'm gonna go for these.
This come from Brazil.
Yeah. So these are Brazilian glasses.
Yeah, Brazil.
But they are in Eastleigh, right?
Yeah. It's transported.
Yeah. So what is your business like here? Can I just ask you questions? Tell me about your business.
Business.
Here, is it good or bad?
It's good, but
Yeah.
not good.
Not too good.
Not good.
When did you start your business?
Last year. December.
Last year. Who helped you start your business?
My friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your friend is
organize this business for me.
Oh, nice. See, he's got good friends. Sometimes it's good to have friends that have your back all the time, right? Like not all friends are gonna have your back. Can you say your name again?
My name is
Henry. Henry, nice to meet you, man. That was great. Thank you very much. I'm gonna buy his glasses, but in a sec. You guys, I got back to you. So I turned up here. It's very loud here. I don't even know if you can hear my voice, but I'm thinking about buying a jersey here. But it has to be a good jersey, right? Like you can't buy anything, but they have a lot of good jerseys here. I'm just gonna ask how much he's selling for these jerseys. My friend, my friend, how much are you selling for these? 20? I want a jersey, my friend. What are we gonna give to this? Somali English tolo ma garay Kiswahili kuli garaya. Sax sax. Mid la aniga da. Kan wi la gaariga. Ay baariga gashay. XL weya. Yahay ma dalban karaa. Kalam. Sorry guys, I'm trying to buy something here, but it's very crowded and it's very busy, so I have to be really careful. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try it because they want me to buy this jersey. It's Chelsea, so I found this. This is actually not Chelsea; it's Man United. It's a very good one. It fits me, so I'm gonna buy this. But we're gonna have to negotiate again because sometimes what happens is your friends look at you when they're selling things to you and they go, "Oh, that's 500," and they're not actually being honest. They're just looking at your quotes. I'm sure this guy's not doing this because I've actually met a Somali guy here who's very kind and he's helping him. And this guy doesn't speak a lot of English. He only speaks Swahili. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna buy this and we're gonna put it on before we go to continue the vlog so that you guys can see what I have bought. Two things. We bought glasses. We also bought a jersey. Yeah, there's a lot of street food going on. A lot of street shopping going on. If you want to buy something off of the street, this is the best place to do. He's actually selling pineapples there. I actually might wanna go and buy the fresh pineapples there. So let me see if I can try that. My friend, I want to try the pineapple. How much are you selling for that? 28. 20. Can I see it? Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna try it. Very sweet. Very nice. Not too fresh. I don't know why. But yeah, he's making a good business. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is it. Yeah, it's really nice. Not too bad. I'm gonna finish it and then I'm gonna buy it. That's not good. You have to buy it first and then eat it. But my friend is not bothered. What's your name? Sorry?
Francis.
Francis. Francis, I am a YouTuber and I make vlogs. And I'm making a vlog about town here. And I came to try the street food here because I saw your pineapples and they're very healthy. Do you mind if I include you in here in the camera? You don't mind. So yeah, this is a Francis, really good friend that I met here. He sold me this. He doesn't mind if I eat this and then buy it, of course. But I'm actually gonna finish this and then I'm gonna buy it. How much? This 20?
20, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 25.
No problem.
No problem. That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, you should say thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Guys, I'm leaving Francis. I actually just tipped him. You can see that I ate. I finished eating. I tipped him 5. He sold me 20 for one, and I tipped him 5. So he deserved it. He's a very good guy. He welcomed me and all of that. So yeah, thank you very much, Francis. See you next time. Bye. Perfect. So it was not easy walking around. At the moment, I have finished doing everything that I was doing. I bought a few things. I bought actually a jersey, like I told you. What is very unlucky is I was not using my gimbal, so I left my gimbal when I was buying my jersey. What's good about this is they were Somalis that I was buying this from, and we've gotten to know each other. We spoke to each other. We like really gotten to know each other. And so when I left them my gimbal, they called me back and they said, "Please pick up your gimbal." They had my number because I've given them my number. So it was really good because I remembered the best place that I could have left it is there. So I guess it's trustworthy, and if people trust you, then you don't have to like worry about where your things are ending up. If they're in good hands, they were in good hands. So for that reason, I got my gimbal back here right now. At the moment, I'm gonna have to head back home because it's getting late and Asr is approaching, and I have to pray my Asr prayers. So yeah, that's it for today. We've done the most that we could. You guys can definitely see what the town looks like here, Eastleigh and all of that. The what do you call highway looks very much like a Somali highway, but it's not very. How do you say? You cannot say it's not clean because a lot of business happen every day. A lot of exchange happen. So to the best of their ability, they try to keep it clean and keep it nice and safe and all of that. But yeah, I really like the culture here. What's going on? Everybody's just working together and all of that. So yeah. So currently, I'm still waiting for my Uber bike. I actually have ordered an Uber bike and it didn't come, so I had to change and get another one. Some of them, I don't know, they just never come, and you have to be smart about that in that case and choose another one. Yeah, so let's see if the second one turns up, and then we can go safely. You can see how rough this place is. I'm trying my best to not to fall off, but I have to stay safe, of course, and tried everything to stay safe. And it's not going too bad. It's going pretty well.